Hi guys, welcome back to Nissa's home cooking channel. So basically the kebab recipe that we made before, same ingredients, were a bit maybe a little bit more different spices, but pretty much the same. Obviously the main difference is the shape. Now we're going to show you the shape. Let's just make it now. So before they were flat, and these are it's like sea kebab style. So you just roll them like this. Yeah, so make them like that, and like in a roll shape. Once you've made the shapes, you just put them into the oil, preheated oil. Let them cook for a few minutes until golden brown. So, just for the guys who are new to the channel, if you already not seen the previous video for the kebabs, please find the video in this channel, and you'll find all the ingredients, how to mix this kebab mix, all in that video. So here is the finished product, guys. Kebabs are nice and cooked. Absolutely delicious. A bit of mint leaves on there, a bit of mint chutney, does wonders. Beautiful. So quick tip for you guys, when you're making these kebabs, you need to make sure the oil is a little bit warm before putting the kebabs in. Cook them on low heat, otherwise they'll burn. Overcook. Break one up for you and show you how it should be inside. It should look like this. Let's give it a taste. Beautiful. Make sure you guys watch that video on this channel. Absolutely delicious. Please like and subscribe and tell all your friends. Thanks for watching.